we have been engaging with the unions based on the signed CBA that we signed in July 18th last year. One of the issues we were to address, all of us together, was to look and review the career progression guidance for teachers. As has rightly been put across, the one that is in place now is 8 years old because it was done 2018. Because of emerging issues related with the welfare of the teachers, the change of curriculum, it has necessitated we look at what are the gaps that are there in the current CPG.
We are agreeing that we shall work with the Commission so that we don't allow that to happen again, whereby we find that a teacher who was almost on the brink of getting a promotion goes back too far away as now to take a longer time before he gets into the promotion.
The kind of CPG that we are actually discussing today, it is more of every other teacher, and a motivated teacher always is a very happy worker, and that's the kind of thing that we have been looking for. This one is purely historic, because I do believe that what may come out after the SRC agree with our proposal, that should be the very best thing that we are expecting to go to our teachers.
We want to assure the teachers today that the document we have signed is the most progressive since independence. We have the most progressive commission since the initiation of the commission. And we are ready to work with you